Good morning, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Got my little lemon water over here. Tell you, waking up this morning was a struggle. So in this video, I decided to share 5 different things that really helped me or is helping me to get back on track and to get back on top of my life, because with everything that has been going on, especially like personally, I kind of fell into the category of just being lazy. I decided this probably like a couple weeks ago that I was going to start doing these things to help me get back on track, and they honestly have helped me. The first one is waking up early, and I know everybody says that, but honestly, it's true. That is what you seen me do this morning. Granted, it was a struggle. I wanted to just hit that snooze button and just fall back asleep, but I ended up waking up at 6 o'clock and just got my day started, got out of bed, made my bed. It fixed me a little bit of lemon water, which actually lemon water really helps to wake me up. I used to drink caffeinated tea, but honestly, I find that this wakes me up a whole lot better. I guess because it's tart. I don't know. It's great for your gut health, and it is just a great booster to wake you up in the morning because it has a lot of vitamin C in it as well. But waking up early, not only is it great for your body just to like get into a routine of that, it also helps, at least me mentally, just having that hour or two before your crazy, chaotic day starts. If you're more of a productive person, then you can use it to get the cleaning that you need to get done in the house, errands done, and all that, whatever it is. Just you can wake up early, get really productive. If that's you, then great, you do that. If you're someone who likes to work out, then you can wake up early and just get a good workout in, whether that's a walk or doing yoga or doing like an actual workout, going to the gym, or just whatever it is. But if you're someone like me who just likes to be lazy, what I like to do is I like to just wake up early, and then I like to just lounge around in bed, and then I either watch videos or movies, or I like to journal, or like this morning I got up and then washed my face, and then I got my bed ready, and then just kind of chilling. But really, it's just more of the fact of just having you time, just doing whatever it is that you want to do before the day starts. Which kind of brings me to my next point of getting ready every single day. What I have really been trying to do is waking up and actually putting on a cute outfit, just actually getting dressed, fixing my hair, put on some makeup, put on some jewelry, do something that makes you feel good as far as just getting ready for the day. Speaking of getting dressed, I think I need to go get dressed now. Alrighty. Yeah, just getting dressed for the day and just something cute or something that you feel confident in is really big whenever it comes to getting ready for the day. And I slept in these braids last night because I was going to do heatless curls. I might take it out, but I kind of like how it looks with the outfit, so I think I'm just gonna leave it like this. So the next thing I want to share with y'all is journaling or scheduling your day. At least personally for me, whenever I have a schedule and I either type it down on my phone, on my computer, or have an actual schedule book, and I just like write down all the tasks that I have for the day, it just makes me feel more accomplished, because after I'm done with it, I can either scratch it out or check it off, and that is so satisfying to me. I suggest that you really try it, because it's just something about scratching it off, something about checking it off that just really makes you feel like, oh, I completed this for the day. And what I personally like to do is I like to make that list the night before. That way, whenever I wake up the next morning, it's just like set out all ready for me, and I can just look at it and be like, okay, well, that's what needs to get done today. But along the lines of that, also journaling. I used to journal a lot whenever I was little, and then I kind of stepped away from it. And here lately, I've been trying to journal again, and it actually has made a impact. It's like whatever kind of feelings that you're feeling that day, if you're feeling anxious, if you're feeling excited, just getting all those thoughts down on paper, it just kind of like relieves you, and it just kind of makes you feel kind of like you're letting it out, kind of like talking to a friend or a family member. It's just kind of like getting all of the stuff that you have inside out, and it just makes you feel so much better. I really recommend that you try this. It'll really help you kind of like know where your mind is at so that you can accomplish the rest of the day. The next thing is having a clean space. Now, my bedroom always gets messy, especially my vanity and my closet. And just different areas in my room just always tend to get messy. Having a clean space actually really helps to relieve stress. I found whenever I have a clean room, I just feel so much better. It makes it easier for me to wake up in the morning because I'm waking up to a clean space. Having a clean space is definitely important, and it just helps to clear your mind, give you a peace of mind. So whenever you walk into a room or your house or just wherever, is just like, my house is clean, I got my house in order. Those little things that you can control, get on top of them. And whenever you're on top of them, you'll feel like you can master the rest of the day. And the last and final tip is get motivation. And what I mean by this is listening to an inspirational song, listening to an encouraging podcast, or watching a motivating YouTube video or a movie, or just something that gives you motivation, reading a self-help book. Just whatever it is that will give you motivation, do it. Whenever I'm having a down day, listening to encouraging songs really does help to lift my spirits. And that's something that I've really been trying to do because it's so tempting just to listen to sad, depressing songs because at that moment you might be feeling that way. But listening to encouraging songs actually really helps to change your mood. This is just something that has really helped me. My absolute favorite thing to do is watching YouTube videos. I love watching videos that help you with self-growth or just kind of like helps you be more productive or be more positive during the day. Watching a motivating video definitely helps motivate me, especially whenever it comes to like if I'm not feeling like cleaning my room. If I watch a video of someone else cleaning the room, it inspires me and I'm like, oh, I can tackle that. So basically it's just wherever you find motivation, go to that. Listen to that, read that, watch that, whatever it is, it will make a difference. And those are my tips on how I personally am getting back on track and getting my life back together. I really hope that it was encouraging to someone and maybe it motivated you just to kind of use some of these tips. All right, I will catch you guys next time. Bye.